Good afternoon to all. Today our chapter is set theory. For class 7 and 8, chapter set theory. Let us take one question. Just to see question given. Universal set that is denoted by xi such that x less than equal to 25 and x belongs to whole number. Whole numbers means it is starting from 0 to 25. That is universal set given. A is a set x such that x belongs to natural number and x greater than equal to 5 and less than equal to 15 means 5 to 15. Next B is a set in which x such that x is a multiple of 5. Condition given x greater than 0 and less than equal to 20 means up to 20 you have to write multiple of 5. C is a set x such that x is a multiple of 3 and greater than 0 less than equal to 15. This is the thing given. There are three set A, B, C and another universal set given. You have to find out A complement, that is universal set minus A, B complement, universal set minus B, C complement, fourth one is A complement intersection B complement, B complement intersection C complement. In this case there are 7 parts of that. Let me solve one by one. First of all I have to find out universal set. That is given whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 25 because less than equal to 25. You have to write 0 to 25 serially. And A is a set x belongs to natural number less than equal to 5 means 5, 6 up to 15. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 15 you have to write. This is the set A. Next B set. B set x is a multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 means it will be 5, 10, 15 up to 20 you have to write. Next C. C is a set x is a multiple of 3. That means you have to write 3, then 6, 9, 12 less than equal to 15 means 12, 15 up to 15 you have to write. Now you are able to find out all the elements present in the given set, universal set, A set, B set, C set. Next I have to find out first part is A complement. Just to see how to find out first part. First part question given, you have to find out A complement. A complement means universal set minus set A. Universal set given 0 to 25 and A given 5 to 15. The remaining part you have to write. Means you have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 to 15 is omitted. Rest part you have to write. That means 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 up to 25. This is called A complement. A complement means universal set minus A set. Next, second part they are asking to find out B complement. B complement means universal set minus B set. Universal set is given 0 to 25 and B given the multiple of 5. That means 5, 10, 15, 20. You have to omit from the universal set. The remaining numbers you have to write. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 you have to write. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, then 11, 12, 13, 14, then 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23 up to 25. This is called B complement means universal set minus B set. Next third part they are asking to find out C complement means universal set minus C set. So what are the element present in C set? That is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. You have to omit from universal set. Remaining part you write. That means 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17 up to 25. Serially up right. This is called C complement. In each of 3 questions completed. The fourth part you see they are asking to find out A complement intersection B complement. The first of all A complement means already written here. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5, 4, then 6. Sorry, after 4, then directly around 16, 17, 18, 19, up to 25. Only except A set. A set means 5 to 15. Means 5 to 15 not there. Intersection B complement. B complement you got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, then 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 23, 23, 24, 25. Okay. So what is the common in between these two sets that you have to see? The common part is 0 to 4, 0 to 4, common. Any other elements common just to see 0 to 4. Then after that 16, 17, 18, 19 means 16 to onwards. These are all common. You have to write this. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 common and 16 to 25. 16, 17, 18, 19, not 20 except 20. That is 21 up to 25. This is called A complement intersection B complement. Next part, that is fifth part, B complement intersection C complement. B complement you got already written here. B complement intersection C complement. In between B complement and C complement, what are the things common that you have tried? I am writing the answer only. The common part is common element 0 common, 1, 2, 4, then 7 common, 7, 8, 10, 11 common, then 13 common, 14 common, 16, 17, 18, 19 up to 25. This is the answer of fifth part. B complement intersection C complement means the common element between the B complement set and C complement. Okay. In here there are 5 questions completed from the chapter set theory. Thank you for today's class.